today we're going to be visiting. Are you ready to experience the heart of New York right here in Las Vegas? Welcome to New York, New York. As you stroll through the back streets, you're going to feel like you're in the middle of Manhattan. The cobblestone streets, the lampposts, the vibrant storefronts, they all come together to create that unmistakable New York energy. Let's go past Gallagher's Steakhouse and see what prime cuts they have for their guests to choose from. It's right here in this case, and I mean, the meat looks amazing. You'll also find Chen Chen Cafe, which is serving up some tasty Asian dishes. If you're in the mood for more traditional dining, or you just want to sit and have a sweet treat, you may want to try America's Cafe. Look at these donuts. My favorite is the Boston cream-filled donut. There's also an Italian restaurant here. I have not tried this yet, but I'm going to. It looks wonderful. Let's stroll the casino floor and see what's going on here at New York, New York.
Oh!
Let's stroll to the most exciting part of New York, New York, the iconic roller coaster and arcade. Now this is the place to come if you want to have a good, fun time, and maybe you've got some guests with you that are under 21. As you can see, everybody gets into the groove up here. So let's move on. And how about we take a ride on that roller coaster? Strap in and hold on tight. We're going on the Big Apple coaster. Thrill rides up to 67 miles per hour and twists beyond belief. That was so fun. Now let's do something a little bit funner, but still entertainment. Let's go see Mad Apple. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of New York, New York. Tune in and I'll show you the rest of it. But click subscribe.